Let's talk about special numbers over here. 3, 4, and 5. When I square them, I get 9, 16, and 25. And those two add up to 25. Now from there, I'm going to look at another bunch of numbers that work on the calendar. 6, 8, and 10. 6 is 36. 8 is 64. And they add to 100. So your job is to look for them and find them. But I'm kind of cheating because I know I multiplied this by 2. And I'm going to multiply by 3. And all those numbers will be there. Times 3, times 3, and times 3. Now look for 9, 12, okay? It'll equal 15. Okay, that was times 3, so this will, okay, 9 would be 81, 12 is 144, and that should add up to 15 squared, which is 225. 1 and 4 is 5, and 8 and 4 is 12, and carry 1 is 2. Now I can multiply by 3, by 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. And 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, and it keeps going. Now you look at 12. Okay, now look at 16. Now look at 20. So 12 and 16 will add up to this. These are all the magic numbers that are on your calendar. So 12 is 12 squared, which is 144, plus 256. If you look at that carefully, 6 and 4 is 10, and that's going to end up to be 420 squared. And I can keep going as far as I want. You can keep looking, and these numbers are all, how shall I say, we say they are in proportion. So how I can show that to you is like this. And 3, 4, 5 looks like this. Right triangle, 3, 4, 5. And then the next one will be 6, 8, 10. And the next one will be 9, 12, and 15. They're all triples, okay? Okay, now that's pretty interesting. Let's look at something else, which is interesting. Let's talk about the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. This would be the base, and this would be the height, because that's the altitude. So the area is 1/2 times 4 times 3, and 2 goes into 4, and the answer is 6. Now, when I double the numbers, when I double it, because I'm talking of area squared, so the answer to this one is going to be 4 times 6 is 24. Let's show that it's true. 1/2 the base times the height, and 8 times 3 is 24. This time is times 3, and 3 squared is 9. So my answer will be 9 times 6 will be 54. Let's see if it's true. 1/2 of the base times the height. And 2 goes into the height. And 9 times 6 is 54. And so on. So when I double the sides for area, I have to square the number, and I will have the answer immediately. This is a nice little exercise. There are other numbers with a different pattern than these. These are all similar, okay? They're in proportion by side, side, side. There are some there that don't fit this pattern. Can you find them?